So today we have this brand new Bronco, and we are going to put these dual color LED pods down in the bumper of this guy and wire up to the aux switches. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we got them bolted up. That was nice and easy. Everything fit, which is always nice. So now we're going to run the wiring. Okay, so we've got the wires all running with my trusty B crimpers and my bullet connectors. I have taken the bare wire that comes as the input for yellow and white, put the male terminal on here, and just put the female terminals on the corresponding wires for the aux switches, which for these on the Broncos, I'm sure you know, they have auxiliary switches that come to basically these wires right here. These are near the A pillar on the driver's side, and we just gotta look it up and see which one is which. So one fun fact on these Broncos, they actually have the owner's manual built into the center cluster. Go into features, owner's manual, there we go. Capitals, actually. You can just type it in. AUX. Search. Locating the aux switch wiring. There we go. So this gives you a little table. aux 1, 2, and 3, so on. So we used aux 1 for the KC Highlights 50-inch bar that's on the top. So we want aux 2 and aux 3. Which, according to this, aux 2 should be green and brown, and a violet and green. Okay, so we found the green with brown and the violet with green. We just got to put female bullet terminals on these two, and then do some aiming, and we're pretty much done. And that's pretty much it. We got it wired to the aux switches. We've got the ground run. Everything's plugged in. Dielectric grease on all of the fittings and connections to keep out that pesky water and prevent corrosion. So just gotta move some stuff around and put it up against the wall and get everything aimed. Yellow, you can actually run that as a fog light. It's down pretty low, but the white, you don't want to run that too terribly much unless you want to add it as an auxiliary high beam. We may end up making those white ones either reduce the power on them or possibly hook them up to the high beam switch so that they come on with the high beams as like an auxiliary high beam. We'll see what the owner wants to do. Just make sure that we aren't blinding oncoming traffic. So anyway, pretty easy install and a nice upgrade for this new Bronco.